So sending certified mail, we will be needing PS Form 3811, PS Form 3800, and one blank envelope. You can get these forms from your local post office for free. You can go in, they usually have them, and you can go just grab a stack of them. I always keep them handy because who knows when you have to send out certified mail. So first we will be completing the PS Form 3811. So in this box it says the article is addressed to. Number 2, article number. This section is to be completed upon delivery to the company. So they would sign for it, say who they received it by, and the date that it got delivered. So we want to be sending adult signature and certified mail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check adult signature as well as certified mail. So on this form it says your article is addressed to. So you want to put the company's address, who you sending the certified mail to, in that box. Your article number, that would be the top number right here. Every number is registered to the post office. This will be a tracking number that you can use to track your package. So we take this and we place this on line number 2. On the back of the form it says, sender, please print your name, address, and zip in this box. So you want to put your address in this box. And that completes PS Form 3811. Moving on to PS Form 3800. This will be completed by the post office. So you want to send this item to. So you want to put the company's address on here as well. Now you have your envelope. You will send this out exactly how you send a standard envelope. So you will put your address in the top left-hand corner. And you want to put the company's address right in the middle. Now, what we'll be doing is we will be putting our mailings inside of our envelope, whatever item that we mailed. So say that we're sending this notice. We fold it up. Place it in the envelope. Seal our envelope. Now this is where the tricky parts come in. On your PS Form 3800, you have a sticker right here. Take your sticker off and you place this right above where you placed your envelope at. It's a dotted line. If you don't understand how to do this, you can have the post office do it for you. You place that right there, just like this. Your PS 3811 goes on the back. Now, if you have the money for postage, you can insert the money right here in stamps, or you can take this to the post office and have them complete it. So what they would do is they would get their postmark, stamp it here, tear this off, and give it to you for your receipt that you sent this item certified mail. Once the company receives the item that you sent to them certified mail, they would sign on this line right here. Receipt print and the date. Now, in a couple days, you will be receiving this card back in the mail, so you got to keep an eye out for that. It'll come back just like this with the signature on it. So you will have this and you will have this for your records. You want to keep these two items together and do not lose them. If you would like, you can take this back to the post office if you ever lose this green card to get a copy, and it always has a tracking number on your document.